Hi, I'm Dr. Arpitha and I'm glad you're watching this video. In this video, I would like to talk about green tea and its benefits. Drinking green tea is associated with reduced mortality. Researchers believe that catchins give green tea its superpowers. Rich with antioxidants and nutrients, green tea is considered by many to have benefits for a variety of health issues. Here are some of those benefits. Free radical damage. Green tea contains antioxidants include polyphenols such as epigalactocatechin gallate EGCG, which can powerfully abolish damaging free radicals, metabolic byproducts that are chemically reactive and can damage cells. Supports cardiovascular health. Green tea is helpful for the prevention of arteriosclerosis, cerebral thrombosis, heart attack and stroke, in part due to its ability to relax your arteries and improve blood flow. It also helps to prevent fatty buildup in arteries, ultimately lowering the risk for cardiovascular disease. It can increase energy and mental focus. Green tea contains a small amount of caffeine, less caffeine than does coffee, and that provides L-theanine, an amino acid shown to promote a state of calm awareness. Its L-theanine content can relax your mind and make you alert without inducing drowsiness. By mobilizing your fatty acids, the caffeine content in green tea can be clean, healthy source of energy. Weight loss. Green tea promotes the body's ability to burn fat through thermogenesis and fat oxidation. But consuming more green tea alone without other lifestyle changes does not do anything significant to improve body weight. Bone health. Green tea may help decrease the risk of fracture by increasing bone mineral density. Green tea polyphenols combined with a form of vitamin D could boost bone structure and strength. The mixture may reverse damage of bones caused by LPS-induced chronic inflammation, which could reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Improves insulin sensitivity and may protect against diabetes. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, green tea is believed to be beneficial for who are at risk of diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. It helps against rapid rise and subsequent crashes in blood sugar levels that lead to fatigue, irritability, and food cravings. Acne and skin health. Studies have shown that people with severe acne had more problems with inflammation and fewer antioxidants. EGCG in green tea has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. They have shown improvement in treating acne and oily skin. Not only can green tea and green tea extract help with acne and help your skin look younger, but it also has the potential for helping to prevent melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancers. The best amounts to use when measuring loose leaf tea is a ratio of 4 teaspoons of tea for every 4 cups of water. Drink it while it's hot. Freshly brewed tea is also superior to a tea that's been sitting for a few hours. Adding milk can diminish the potency of some of the antioxidants, while adding a few drops of lemon can boost the green tea benefits and increase the catechins for better absorption by 5 times. Here are few simple guidelines for making the perfect cup of tea. Place your tea bag or high quality tea leaves in your teapot. Heat or boil water. Pour hot water into the teapot to steep the leaves for about 1 to 3 minutes. Larger leaves need more time to steeper than finer small leaves. Once brewed, pour a little tea at a time into each cup. You can add some lemon juice or raw honey as the finishing touch. I hope this information will help you live a healthier life. Here is a scripture to meditate on. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If this has been helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this video with your family and friends. I'll see you again in my next video.